Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing the new DJI Osmo Action 6. Very excited for this one. I've been waiting for a very long time to unbox this, and it's finally arrived today. Without further ado, let's get to the unboxing part of this video. So there's the little tab here. Take this off. Show the camera. And you got this nice little presentation box, clearly labeling, what parts of the DJI parts of the camera that you need. So you got the accessories, and you got the Osmo Action 6 as well. So let's just bring out firstly the accessories part of it. You can see. Here we go. Opening it, and what do we have here? Now for this one, with this main component of the accessories here is the battery container, where it stores the battery and is what is needed to power up the DJI Action 6. I'm just opening it now. Yeah. This is the battery pack, and if you open it, there's 3 separate batteries here. So you got your main one, then you got your backup, and then you got your backup. So in case you run through those two, this is kind of your last resort. But you got more than enough power to use throughout the day for your action filmed content for the day or for the week or however long. That's that. And then here are the different components of so these are the different attachments to the DJI Action 6 camera. I'm going to show you how to attach these attachments and what they're used for when I do open the camera itself. So I'll just put that to the side, all right, and I'll put the battery to the side as well. So here we're finding actually before I do bring the bad boy out, right, and then unbox it, I want to get into the tripod of it, because it comes with its own very personal tripod, so you don't need to go out and buy your own tripod. It's included in the kit, which is very helpful and quite a big bonus to the DJI Action 6. Now this is what it looks like. Yep, very neat, very aesthetically pleasing, and as you can see what I'm doing, I can actually extend it. I don't really know how far it would extend, but it does extend quite a long way. So you don't have to worry about length, reaching certain parts of where you want to record, because it can very well do that. So just bring it down now. So very handy, very positive aspect to the DJI Action 6 unboxing. Just put that to the side now. Now here we are with the main event, the actual DJI Osmo Action 6 camera. As you can see, that's what it says here. I'm just gonna unbox it now. It comes in the package as everything else. Very compact, very small, but does really pack a punch with all the qualities and features about this camera, right? So as you can see, you got the HUD. Yeah, this is the DJI Osmo Action 6. Like I said, it's very small, very compact, but it does really pack a heavy punch in terms of all the qualities and the features behind this camera. So with this one, with obviously with the Osmo DJI Action 6, it films in 8K resolution, so you know, it is very clear, very high quality as well, perfect for high action activities, adventures, and especially when you do go underwater as well. That's what it's a very special feature that comes with it as well. So right here I'm going to reveal the camera lens slowly, and look at that. Wow. And it says the f/05 155 f/20 to 40. Yeah, very neat. So as you can see, with the camera lens, there's a very special feature about these this specific camera lens with the DJI Action 6. It actually can film and capture footage in very efficiently in very low lit areas. So that's a really special feature about this. So you know, it's very versatile. You can film during the day, and you can also film during the night as well. Now with the DJI Osmo Action 6, very efficient in filming your adventure packed day, whether it be quad biking or even going under the water, because you know it has a very special feature where you know it's water resistant, and you can actually film 20 meters deep down the ocean. But the counterpart to this is the Osmo Pocket 3, used for daily vlogs, perfect for capturing the little moments and the everyday moments. So that is the counterpart to the Osmo Action 6. So they both go hand in hand together, one for your adventures and one for your everyday life. Yeah, so this was a very anticipated purchase. We're very excited to actually put this to the test, and use it for our adventures to come. So very excited for this. You will see a lot more. You will see videos captured by this bad boy over here for our adventures in the near future. But before then, please subscribe and comment. Suggest any suggestions that you want to see from us as well. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.